What's up, AGL Nation? It's your girl Gabby, and I'm back again with another video. I haven't been here in a while, and I'm here with something really new. Like, I am here with a green screen tutorial. Without using a laptop or anything of that sort, you just need a iPhone, and yeah, you need the app iMovie. Your phone should come with iMovie, and yeah. So the first thing you're going to do is press your plus in your movie. We're going to press movie. So first you have to have a green screen or blue screen behind you, as you just need a blue cover or some blue paper, green paper, anything green or blue. So once you have that, you're going to do your video, and you're supposed to have a picture or anything, a picture that you want to be behind you as your background to replace your green screen. So first you're supposed to press your green screen, and here's the video that I have. Let me edit it real quick because I did screen record it, because I'm not going to be recording myself because I look popped right now. So here's the video that I have. It's really short, and yeah. So then you're going to press this little plus over here. It's going to be in your left hand corner. You're going to press that, and then you're going to press photos. So then you're going to press the photo that you have, and I pick the mansion. You're going to press the three little dots, and it's going to say green or blue screen. You're going to press that, and now you have it. But it's not going to look like this. So what you do is, wait, I did this all wrong. Let me start over. So you press your little plus, again, movie, and you're going to take your photo first. Take your photo that you're going to be using. And here's the photo that I have now. And then you're going to press the plus that I told you guys to do in the other clip or anything that I just said. So then you're going to press videos. Then you're going to take the video that you have, and you're going to press the three little dots, and it's going to say green, blue screen. You're going to press that, and here it is. So then you can, now here is how it's going to look. And you can size it out. You can size the picture out with it. And yeah, here it is. Here's the finishing looks. If you have to have a blue light, like really bright blue, or a really light green, as you guys see that I have here. So now that you guys know how to do this, you guys can have really good quality mukbangs or anything that you guys want to do, gaming tutorials, and anything that you guys want to do with a green screen. Now that you guys know how to do it on a iMovie. So yeah, hope you guys like and comment down below what type of tutorial you guys want to know next. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment.